Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can link layers in Photoshop Elements to move their content together when using the Move tool. This ensures the content within the linked layers maintains their relative locations to each other if you move either layer. Additionally, if you apply a transform to a linked layer, the transform is also applied to its linked layers to maintain their relative content locations. To link layers in Photoshop Elements, select the layers to link in the Layers panel. To select multiple non-adjacent layers in Photoshop Elements, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Control key on your keyboard or Command for Macs. Then click to select the other non-adjacent layers. Alternatively, to select adjacent layers in Photoshop Elements in the Layers panel, click the name of the first layer in the Layers panel to select it. Then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the name of the last layer to select it. All layers including and between the two layers you clicked are then selected. To link the selected layers in Photoshop Elements, then click the Link Layers button next to one of the layers' names in the Layers panel. To unlink a linked layer in Photoshop Elements, click to select the linked layer to unlink in the Layers panel. Then click the Link Layers button next to the layer's name in the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.